If you've been taking this video all this long, you will see that I have emphasized on practicing asking Google questions, leveraging on community and a host of others. Something that you don't often find among data analysts or data scientists, especially the beginners these days, is that they don't read books. So it is important. Reading books is interesting. You can easily consume videos, you can consume blogs. That's even if you are doing that. Some people, their textbooks are people. They will have to ask people that question to get the answers. But I'm going to advise you, as a data analyst or data scientist beginners, you should start reading books. Books on data visualizations and storytelling, read books on beginner machine learning or beginners data analyst. So you have the thought of people and experts, and you see structured learning content, and that takes you from a beginner to somewhere that what is happening behind the scenes of most of the things you do or why you do what you do. You see them in those books. So start reading books today.